Welcome back, and today it's going to be just a fun episode. I'm going to get to work on cleaning this whole car because it's been parked outside for a really long time. And after that, we're going to go take a trip up to Ludington just to give it a shakedown to make sure this thing's reliable because I really want to take it to work tomorrow. So, it's just going to be just some fun. Just a bunch of time-lapse footage of me cleaning this disgustingly dirty old car. So, stay tuned. Oh, already extremely better. Oh man, paint is actually in really good shape. There's some spots I gotta take care of, like there's a rust bubble there. Clear coat's peeling in some spots, but I mean, pretty good for just a wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry this beast, and then we're gonna ceramic coat it. Probably clean the wheels as well. So the paint is really dirty, so I'm gonna have to clay bar this really hard. So I'm gonna let it naturally dry because you see that? That's just dirt in the paint. I'm going to work on cleaning up this leather and the dashboard and all the surrounding pieces and whatnot while this dries, and then I can do the clay bar on it. So. I am in genuine disbelief how much dirt was on there. Like the hood especially was really bad. So I did the best I could with the clay bar I have, and it's looking a lot better. There's just a few spots I noticed, like there's this like weird spot where it's like the clear coat's kind of foggy. Oh shit, I forgot that. The roof has way more fucking rust bubbles than I thought. They're just everywhere. I mean, the clear coat's faded back here, but I mean, we kind of wanted to repaint it anyway. But I mean, it's looking good for what it is now. And of course I ain't touching that. Now I'm gonna hit it with ceramic coating, and then we'll see what the end result is of this ruined paint. Full wash. I'm actually genuinely surprised, like just how clean it got from just a clean and a clay bar and a ceramic coating. So the paint is still really messed up, So I'm gonna go ahead and start working more on the interior because it's still pretty dirty and the leather probably hasn't been cleaned in a really long time. And yeah, after that and the windows, we're all good. Clean car. So we were just about to leave on a great adventure, and I looked out the window as this was idling, and I noticed it was steaming so well. True German car moment. And there it is. That was our hose. Still steaming, still hot. Luckily, we have an excess amount of shitty fucking German cars lying around. So we already had a hose. So what's the plan, Zach?
I'll throw this hose on.
Yes?
I fill the cooling system back up. I'm gonna let it idle for a long time again. And we're gonna see if it's gonna blow a hole in the radiator or start rapidly overheating again.
Do you remember at the start of this when you're like, have faith?
Yes. Well, to be fair, that hose was already questionable.
Oh yeah.
So
I mean, still, you know.
true. And what is this company notorious for? Just as notorious as Subaru is.
Head gaskets.
Gaskets.
How long has it been? How long have we been diagging this? What do you think?
Probably an hour.
An hour. All right. So, like, run us through real quick. What do we test? What do we test?
So I'm going, oh, fan's not getting power. You know, test at the plug, no power. Okay. So I make my little test relay, you know, where you can just manually actuate it here. I'm like, all right, well, no power at the plug. Okay. We got power here coming into the relay? No power coming into the relay. All right. Where does this get power? Where does it get power? I don't know. So we go over here. Yeah, here it is. So we
got a fuse box.
We got one out of the donor car, just because you never know. You never know what you're gonna need. So find the socket for the relay. Where's this one? Wait, no. This one down here. It's got a red wire with a green stripe on it, and it goes into the cabin where this wire's cut off.
Yep.
Well, I wish I had the cabin harness. So I'm going, okay, where are there other red with green wires? Here's one. It goes to this fuse over here. Is this possibly the supply for this? No, it's like fuel pump or central locks.
So then?
But we'll use the same color wire.
Oh, yeah.
We'll use the same
There's
color
only
wire.
3 colors in the world. Most of them are brown, if you didn't know.
Enter shit car.
Yep.
Take it apart. Look for red wires with a blue stripe on, or not blue, green stripe on them.
Here it is.
Find this fuse in there, 40 amp fuse. Big beefy wire going to it. It's gotta be the radiator fan. It's gotta be. Pull this one open, pull the fuse out.
It's dead.
Well, blown fuses are easy to fix. What caused that blown fuse? What caused that blown fuse? Radiator fan's fucked. Done. Nope. Won't spin. Nothing.
Sounds like it wants to.
Yeah, you'll hear it when you try to put power into it, but you don't want to put it on there too long, otherwise.
So basically, so what do you think? It sat here idling, and then it like commanded the fan to turn on.
Yep, and then it blew the fuse.
And it was just sitting there, like trying to command it.
It's like, come on, bro, I'm getting high here, man. Come on. Fan's like, nope, not happening.
So like you didn't see other see. We also
What cars do radiator fans go? That has an electric fan.
Oh yeah.
It still works.
All of them.
This has a shitty $200 Mustang. Still has its original electric fan. BMW? Nope.
No.
That's too hard.
But here's the best part, right? We were like, oh well, fucking garbage engine. We get the borescope out. We're checking every single cylinder. We're like, where's the clean one? Where's the clean cylinder? It's got to be a head gasket. It's got to be one.
BMW.
But nope, it's the fucking radiator. Time.
At least we don't have to tear apart the engine.
Yeah, at least I was actually gonna be really angry if we did all this work just to find out. But now we gotta take it apart. So stay tuned as we replace a radiator fan. Already discovered something. Let's see if it does it on the ramp. Alright,
Not on the ramp.
only at freeway speeds. So if you turn right at freeway speeds, any sort of right, there's a very nice, fun vibration.
Did you know he's in 4 low?
How do you know?
That's what his place is.
Oh, true.
Alright, we got an Equinox. I decided to block up traffic. Let me in. The third gear just sounds angry.
It's because it is. You feel the steering wheel?
A little bit. Here.
Whoa. All right.
It's bad strut.